So hello, good evening, and welcome everyone for the Story Time with Council India season 19. And today we have a very special guest with us from Manav Rachna University. I'll tell you who she is, what kind of personality she is. So let me just invite her. Let me just invite our guest before we start with the show. And let me tell you guys, today's topic is really very amazing and broad. How valid is it in India? Just because we got a lot of inquiries, we got a lot of suggestions that people want this topic. So on demand, we have we chose this topic, like studying psychology in abroad. Then how valid is it in India? And that is the reason that we have invited such a prominent personality with us, Dr. Chavi Sharma. So we are just waiting for ma'am to join. So guys, I want you all. We're just waiting for our guest to join and then we can start. Just waiting for the Good evening, ma'am.
Finally, I am
Finally.
sorry.
I was about to say the same thing, finally.
I mean, this is, anyways.
Okay.
Thank
So we'll
you.
just
Thank
start,
you
ma'am.
for inviting.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And it's a pleasure to have you in our story time. And like, it's something like, say, I met you, like, not me exactly, one of my partner, we met you like 1 year back, I think 2 years back. And then
Yes,
suddenly having you in our show is really a great pleasure, ma'am, for us. And thank you
my
so much
pleasure.
again. And this nature is also beautiful today. It's raining, so it's all this all cosmic energy is with us.
Yes,
Okay,
true.
so before we start with the show, I would just like to give a brief intro about ma'am. So ma'am is basically ma'am is an executive director and dean of Manav Rachna University, and she has done a doctorate in psychology, a research, a writer, a teacher, and she has been an instrumental in setting up and being the founder of three major departments in like MBA psychology and hospitality and hotel administration and the doctorate programs. And she has a very long journey of academician. She has done a lot of researches. She has helped a lot of scholars to get PhD degrees. And in psychology, she has a very big track record, as I can see in her intro. So, ma'am, first question, like as we are in this show, and let me tell you the beauty of this show is basically the name suggests story time with Council India. So here the main focus is to interact with the guest with the help of stories. So we don't want any content to come kind of, because the main purpose is that to tell our viewer that everything is not in books, everything is not in PPTs, everything is not in Zoom calls. So that's why we invite guests and we ask their stories, we listen to their stories, like good stories, bad stories, all stories, and then we come up with a lot of learnings, we come up with solutions, and our people enjoy this show a lot. And that's why today is the 19th season that we are doing. And
Oh,
so let's start, and I'll again introduce the topic, that is studying psychology in abroad. How valid is it in India? And this is a demand question, ma'am. Let me just tell you that a lot of people
okay.
asked us this question. We see there are two variables in this. That we do psychology in India, then we go to abroad. How valid? And then we do psychology in abroad, and we come back to India. And how valid is it in India? So there are two variables. So today we'll be talking about if we are doing psychology like outside India, and then we are coming back to India. So how much valid is it? Okay. So before moving towards the main question, I would like to ask about your journey, like a journey from a student to dean of Manav Rachna University. Anything like would like to know about you?
See, I took up psychology, and for because I think you would have a lot of psychology people listening in, and there is a book I read which is by the name of All My Children by Jackie Lee Schiff. And I was preparing for medical, but when I read this book, I just felt this was my calling. I needed to study this subject. So for me, psychology has always been a religion. It's nothing because it's just sacred, and that is why the passion. And then my parents were very forward looking. They let me take what I wanted, even though it meant leaving medical or whatever. And so that's how I started. I started with a very regular teaching assignment job in Daulat Ram, then LSR. And then I was doing my PhD with Ashish Nandi, who is,
Okay.
so, and the story is very interesting because we were used to in Delhi University waiting for professors. You had to wait outside their rooms for hours. And there was this Center for the Study of Developing Societies. There Sudhir Kakkar used to sit, Ashish Nandi used to sit, and a lot of intellectuals. Rajni Kothari, Professor Rajni Kothari, and yeah, there were many more. So we just went, and we said, I had read Sir's articles on Sati and his book. There are a lot of the first. So I went, I said, if I want to study, I want to work with this person. And so we were waiting, and suddenly Sir said, come in. We almost fell, in the room because we thought we have to wait outside for hours. And then it's been a very, very interesting journey. But I want to tell everybody there, Sir Ashish Nandi was a little different. He never promoted me. And another person he said he did not is his daughter, because he said that all your life then they will never be confident of themselves. And this is the first lesson. And today when I am Dean and ED and we see a lot of leaders, and many leaders, many people who are sitting at the top are so insecure because if you don't get it by your merit, it's going to be tough. And that's how psychology plays out. And you want me to tell you another story? That in Manav Rachna, after my research area, I was the first faculty in MIT Jaipur campus to help, I've just been pushed into setting up departments. And in Manav Rachna in 2008, when I came, and you won't believe that out of the 15 directors and deans, I was the only woman, and most of them were retired and they had come this, and I was also the youngest. And, absolutely Haryana University to get in and to, yes, women, at one point people couldn't walk in the
agreed.
university.
It's a challenge, ma'am. Actually, it's a challenge. It's a
Oh
big
yes,
challenge.
fighting, and it's a big, it's
मानवजना के
tough,
बहुत
but
किस्से सुने हुए हमने भी. We'll discuss that too. We'll discuss that too in today's
yes.
show.
You're a very good
Great.
storyteller. I've heard your videos. You're fantastic.
My video. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. So basically, ma'am, if I ask you that when you were in school or when you were in your college days, so you thought that you will become a psychologist one day?
No, never. It was so, I took up science. I was in the boarding school all my life. And then when I came to Delhi and everything, it was science. But I just read, I used to read a lot. And so I just picked up that book. And when I read it, it was reparenting, for people, we are not reparenting of schizophrenic children. So that kind of just made me feel, I don't know, I just felt, oh, this is it. This is a subject I need to study. Need to
तो
know
क्या
more.
सोचा था पहले, मतलब डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर?
नहीं, मेरा मेडिकल था, सो मैं मेडिकल में ही जा रही थी.
Then all of a sudden psychology came. Then a drastic
Psychology is
change in
also,
career and
yes, it is equally noble. It is there.
so
Difficult
somehow
here.
you're also helping society. I have seen your your intro. So a lot of social activities you have done. You have supported a lot of people, helped them to build their careers, and like that's
That's the job of a teacher, no? I'm only doing
right.
my job.
Great,
That's
great.
just,
It's really good to have teachers like you, ma'am. And because I was also a teacher, like in 2014 to 2018, I was a teacher. Then before coming into business completely, so it's a noble duty actually for a teacher to help the kids, to push them, to motivate them, to be strict with them somehow. कभी कभी दिल से नहीं अच्छा लगता टीचर को डांटना, but still he has to because वो एक है ना कहानी भी है कि वो कुम्हार जब तक अपने उसको बर्तन को मारेगा नहीं या गर्म नहीं करेगा तब तक वो अच्छा बर्तन नहीं बनेगा. तो सेम गोज विद द टीचर.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Great. So coming on the topic, ma'am, when we talk about ma'am studying psychology in abroad, so there are a lot of people, there are a lot of psychologists who ask this question कि हमने बाहर से पढ़ाई करी है, we have studied from different universities or we have studied from some university outside India, and due to some XYZ reason they are coming back to India because of this COVID is one of the biggest reason that our students have came back to India. So how much valid is it in India? Is it in India? If we talk about Mental Health Act, if we talk about RCI Act and different government restrictions and government, all this judiciary system in India about mental health. So how much validity is it in India if we talk about these students?
See, I would say that, if the problem with psychology in India is that it's like the Western mind and the Eastern body. We have never
Okay.
contextualized it. We have never customized it. And that's why we lost out to astrologers and to so many shamans and mystics.
Yeah.
We have never been able to, we were looking always in the mirror. We never looked outside. And this is why when you go abroad, you are learning even here we are learning the same theories. But can we really then it becomes a very Western, it is suitable for a very westernized, you know, niche people. But then pan India, it doesn't apply. That is why psychiatrists with their medicines are more effective than we have been. Or counseling, or this counseling is picking up, but still, if we, so that I think if you're going abroad and when you come back, if you cannot customize it, if you don't have the foresight and vision to see how to really, if you don't understand, it's like this, if you don't understand the client, or you don't understand whatever word you want to use, then how will you ever be effective if you cannot understand him, what is it that you're going to bring to the table? Everybody is talking CBT, but have we ever stopped and thought, okay, let me customize it depending on the person, and or any other therapy, whatever counseling techniques we are using, it is, you have to take the person in front of you into account. You don't exist, the person exists. That's the level of sensitivity and flow that should happen. So in simple words, you study anywhere, wherever, if you're practicing in the West, you need to understand their culture, their system, their context. If you come back to India, then you need to understand India, understand the people, and understand the context.
Because ma'am, somehow the Western mindset or the Western psychology of the people outside India, their psychology is completely different. And we talk about the Indian psychology, Indian mindset, the entire ecosystem in India about psychology is completely different. So
Exactly.
that is the biggest challenge that I feel that our students of psychology, they will be feeling. But ma'am, when we talk about the government jurisdictions, when we talk about the legality, so would you like to help us with that? क्या government guidelines हमें follow करनी चाहिए या क्या?
देखो, there is this whole thing. Psychology has there are various layers to psychology. Let's use the word mental health professionals.
Okay.
You have your psychiatrists who are clinical doctors and they prescribe medicines. Then you have your clinical psychologists. Typically you have done, which is the RCI, or you have NIMHANS and you have IBAS, and then you have all these institutes approved by RCI. RCI is Rehabilitation Council of India, right? It is for wherever rehabilitation is required, that's where it holds. Many of the, when we were doing our masters, that time RCI had just come, it was a new body made, and the teachers felt that how can RCI accredited us? Delhi University is a snooty university, and they said our clinical psychology course, how can they say it is good or bad? Why should we seek their accreditation? And the new act also says that for counseling or mental health or clinical psychology, anybody who has a master's in clinical psychology is equally eligible. So this concept that only RCI MPhil in RCI, MPhil itself is now going to be, is no longer going to be that hot. But all that is going on, that only RCI accredited practitioners can sit in the hospitals. But everywhere else, and even in the hospitals, a person who's done the clinical masters in clinical is equally qualified. And as per the new act, you can practice.
See, ma'am, this is in context to clinical psychology. But when it comes to counseling psychology and when it comes to mental health support or emotional support, so in that context, what all government jurisdictions are being followed or people should keep in mind? Because बहुत confusion है मैम सोसाइटी में ना, ये बहुत बड़ा एक लोगों के दिमाग में एक वहम रहता है कि whom we should go, is it a legal thing, shall I practice or not? And then again this healthcare bill has come recently, Lok Sabha has passed. इसमें भी I was reading, but there is no clear as such structure for counseling psychologists. They have also mentioned about clinical psychologists or MR people, but for basically for emotional support people or for counseling psychologists, there is no such guidance. तो क्या करें फिर ऐसे सिचुएशन में, या फिर कैसे भरोसा करें किसी पे?
देखिए, जो जिसने एक चीज है ना, फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल अगर जाते हैं, दे शुड आस्क whether the person is qualified. मास्टर्स इन काउंसलिंग, क्लिनिकल, एजुकेशनल, कई चीजों में मास्टर्स होगा, सो द पर्सन इज क्वालिफाइड फॉर काउंसलिंग. काउंसलिंग में तो ऑफ कोर्स है ही, because if somebody who's done in OB and all or in any other is has not dealt with counseling aspects, so that is why these people are straight away qualified. Even if you read the act, they are, they have put there clinical psychologists / counselors, but when we go we have to see. और दूसरी चीज ये होती है ना कि sometimes the person is qualified, but when you sit you are not comfortable. So a person, that comfort level, what is the rapport that the person establishes? And I will also say that, teachers are also very good counselors. So I don't want to take away that from teachers. And, because emotional support, sometimes children, need the emotional support of teachers also. So if we can look at that, but professionally, of course, a counselor is a trained person in counseling skills. And I am stressing the word skills. Okay, counseling and clinical, they are skills.
Ma'am, you have mentioned one thing that I really want to highlight that again. That I have also seen, like in Counsel India, there are many people come, like I'll not call them a patient, but yes, they are into a bit trouble, mental health trouble. So they tell us that I was taking counseling sessions with somebody. He was a RCI certified counselor, but that person really behaved very bad with me, or they didn't even treated me like. So people are very much disappointed somehow, and they feel really good with a person. They really get their solutions with a person who is not RCI but has a master's degree or has a bachelor's degree, has done certification. The kind of the goodwill that clients share with us, or these people share with us, is like कि सर वहाँ पे बहुत मजा आया, but कहीं ना कहीं when they went to the RCI people, so वो comfort zone हर साइकोलॉजिस्ट मुझे लगता है नहीं क्रिएट कर पाता. तो अब इसमें हम फॉरेन की बात करें या इंडिया की बात करें तो हार्डली मैटर्स, बिकॉज द मेन थिंग इज वी हैव टू गिव सॉल्यूशन टू पीपल. दैट इज द मेन एंड गोल दैट we should think of.
Also, the emphasis differs. If you are emphasizing on clinical, and if you look at the clinical psychologists sitting in hospitals, they are sitting as almost as adjunct to the psychiatrist. There is that parallel space नहीं बना पाए हम अभी तक. और जो दूसरी चीज है, क्योंकि फोकस अगर मेडिकल मॉडल पे रहेगा, तो मेडिकल मॉडल के लिए तो द साइकियाट्रिस्ट इज अ बेटर पर्सन, वो दवाई देगा एंड दैट्स इट. सो वी साइकोलॉजी की क्राइसिस ही ये रही है. सी आई मीन आई एम इन लव विद दिस सब्जेक्ट, एंड द क्राइसिस ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इज दिस, दैट दे डिडंट नो. लैंग वगैरह ने कहा कि साइकोलॉजी इज नॉट अ साइंस. It has certain things, but we must always take that into consideration, that it can never be a science like medicine is, where you have, okay, I know there are 23 virus, or I know this virus. Abhi to medicine bhi equally theoretical ho gayi hai with COVID, if we do not know how the virus is mutating. But ये है कि हमें इतना पता है, और हमें पता है कि इसकी चीज इस पे करेंगे तो ये होगा. With the human mind, it is open-ended. You do not know what is going to work. It's a hit and trial. So for that, इसलिए मैं when I train the students also I tell them why psychologist, ये मेरे सर ने भी मुझे कहा था कि you should know everything. क्योंकि अगर आपके पास कोई आता है, हम एम्पैथी कैसे करेंगे? अगर एक जैसे एक बार एक जना आया था, उसने कहा मैं तो जाट हूँ. अब एक ही सेंटेंस बोला है, लेकिन उस इतना लोडेड सेंटेंस है, पूरी साइकोलॉजी उसमें समझ आ गई है. अब सपोज आई एम सो अनअवेयर कि व्हाट इज हु इज अ जाट, देन आई विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सन. मैं सोचूंगी ये कितना वियर्ड एक सेंटेंस है. ऐसे ही इफ समबडी सेज ओके आई एम अ टिपिकल पंजाबी, देन आई आल्सो नो दैट ओके खाना पीना उसको अच्छा लगता होगा, ये अच्छा लगता होगा, एंजॉय करना अच्छा लगता होगा. अगर वो चीजें कट हुई है तो व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज एम्पैथी, contextualization and understanding the person and from where he comes. उसका we are not individuals. हमारे पीछे ना पूरा एक सोसाइटी हमारे साथ चलती है. मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं, मेरी फैमिली चल रही है. इसलिए इंडिया में ना कभी इंडिविजुअल केस होता ही नहीं है. फैमिली डिजीजेस रन इन फैमिलीज. आप एक को ठीक करते हो तो दूसरी चीज आ जाती है. सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड देन वर्क एंड नेगोशिएट थ्रू दैट.
Okay. So ma'am, one more question like on the same context, because we are talking about taking degree from abroad or taking degree from India, collecting number of certificates. मुझे ऐसा लगता है इंडिया में कहीं ना कहीं people are more focused कि भाई डिग्री इकट्ठी करो पहले, सर्टिफिकेट्स इकट्ठे करो, स्किल्स तो बात की बात है. This is what I personally observe, or because I have connected with a very big network of students or psychologists, and people tell me कि सर सर्टिफिकेट दे दो, बाकी तो हम देख लेंगे, we are very good with everything. So according to you, what matters, a skill or certificates?
Skill. Certificate is कि आपने ये चीज आपने पढ़ ली, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक दिस, यू टेल मी स्विमिंग के लिए मैं कितनी ही डिग्रीज ले लूं, एंड इफ आई डोंट गो इनटू द वाटर तो मैं स्विमर कैसे बनूंगी? और सेंसिटिविटी आई हैव रियलाइज्ड आइदर होती है या नहीं होती है. मतलब आप बुक पढ़ लो, आप ये बोल दोगे अच्छा ये चीजें चाहिए, लेकिन एम्पैथी, टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एम्पैथी इज, टू अंडरस्टैंड what is non judgmental, and that is very difficult. हम जजमेंट तो हम यूं करते हैं, स्नैप में हमारा जजमेंट आता है. तो फिर आप कैसे अनकंडीशनल एक्सेप्टेंस कहाँ से आएगी? जैसे ही बंदा आएगा आप एकदम एक जज कर लेते हो, इसकी इतनी कैपेसिटी है ये. सो वी हैव टू, बिकॉज आई टेल यू व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. हम वी आर आउटवर्ड, हम बाहर की चीजें कर रहे हैं. वो इंटरनल जो एस्पेक्ट होता है ना कि इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, और अपने अंदर भी. तो देखिए साइकोलॉजी पढ़ना दो वे की जर्नी है, काउंसलिंग क्लिनिक, एक बाहर और एक अंदर. तो अगर इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आउटसाइड, आई एम टॉकिंग एम्पैथी, आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ. अगर मैं प्रेजुडिसेस की बात कर रही हूँ, आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज इफ आई एम नॉट एम्प्टी, आई एम डूइंग मोर हार्म. लोग कहते हैं फिजिकल बॉडी, मेंटली अपने आप को रिवील करना, it's like going naked mentally is far, it takes more courage and you can do more damage, because mind decides everything else. So it is more, we have more responsibility and we need to be more accountable.
Right. Skill. And there's one more very important thing that people keep asking ki, is there any special benefit for the students who do psychology degree in like outside India and the people who do psychology degree from India? तो इंडिया में डिग्री करके इंडिया में जॉब करेंगे सो इट विल बी बेटर, या फिर बाहर डिग्री करके इंडिया वापस आए दैट विल बी बेटर. सो इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पीपल हु आर डूइंग साइकोलॉजी डिग्री आउटसाइड इंडिया एंड द पीपल हु आर डूइंग द डिग्री इन इंडिया?
देखो एक चीज है, लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, जो बाहर का जिस तरह का एजुकेशन सिस्टम है वहाँ पे रिगरस ट्रेनिंग होती है, ठीक है. सो यू लर्न सिस्टम्स वेरी वेल कि किस तरह से क्या चीज़ आपको करनी है, ठीक है. यू लर्न दो सिस्टम्स. इन इंडिया वी आर स्टिल अ लिटिल बिहाइंड, बट द पॉइंट इज दैट ऑल्सो द सेकेंड पार्ट इज दैट हमारे साइकी में ये है कि जो बाहर से आता है वी थिंक दैट पर्सन इज गुड, you know, because it is our own inferiority that we project that okay, anything anybody does is there, and because we don't verify, we just go by that. वो हमारा भी एक है for an armed person, but otherwise I don't think there is a difference. The same books, everything. I do not think that there is any difference.
क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं एक सर्टेन लेवल तक सर्टिफिकेट्स अचीव करना एंड देन कमिंग डायरेक्टली टू द पीपल, कमिंग डायरेक्टली टू सोल्यूशन, दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
Exactly.
कि हमने एक अपने स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर लिए, भाई ये मिनिमम मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी, नंबर ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स और डिग्रीज या जो भी था, नाउ आई हैव टू एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस इट, आई हैव टू एक्चुअली हेल्प पीपल। ऐसा नहीं है कि डॉक्टर बनना है, डिग्री ले ली, अब सर्जरी आती नहीं है, पट्टी भी नहीं बांध पा रहे, तो फिर ऐसे डिग्री लेके भी क्या फायदा। तो समहाउ चाहे इंडिया से लो, चाहे बाहर से लो, या कहीं से भी लो डिग्री, मेन चीज है कि हमारा स्किल सेट इतना अच्छा होना चाहिए। बिकॉज साइकोलॉजी इज नॉट जस्ट कि आप डिग्री लेके, क्योंकि मैंने एक चीज और सुनी है मैम, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु थिंक दैट साइकोलॉजी में बहुत स्कोप है, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ नहीं है, एक नया करियर है, मेंटल हेल्थ इज कमिंग अप विद अ वेरी ड्रास्टिक ग्रोथ नाउअडेज, इवन स्पेशली आफ्टर द पेंडेमिक। तो कई लोग ये सोचते हैं कि चलो उसमें ही चल लो, क्योंकि कहीं उसमें भीड़ कम है, स्कोप ज्यादा है, सो मे बी यू विल गेट चांसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ फास्टर इन दैट। बट साइकोलॉजी इज नॉट समथिंग कि आप इसको एज अ अर्निंग सोर्स देखें, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर द टू हेल्प पीपल एक्चुअली, बिकॉज यू आर कनेक्टिंग इमोशनली विद पीपल, दे ट्रस्ट यू, दे रिलाई ऑन यू,
Yes.
एंड समहाउ इट विल अफेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन एंड द एंटायर फैमिली। जैसे कि आपने कहा था कि इंडिया में पूरी एक फैमिली डिपेंड होती है एक इंडिविजुअल पे, राइट। तो मैम अब ऐसी सिचुएशन में जो हमारे जो बडिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो इंडिया में, जैसे कि आपके मानवता यूनिवर्सिटी से भी कई सारे साइकोलॉजिस्ट पास आउट होते हैं, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं, एमआईटी यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, जो अच्छे रीनोन यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, इनके बच्चे हमारे पास भी इंटर्नशिप्स करते हैं। तो इन लोगों के लिए आप क्या ऐसा कुछ सॉल्यूशन बताना चाहेंगे कि आफ्टर बैचलर्स या आफ्टर देयर मास्टर्स क्या इनको करना चाहिए? व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप इफ आई हैव डन माय बैचलर्स, सो अगर मुझे एक अच्छा साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनना है करियर में आगे चल के, सो व्हाट शुड आई डू आफ्टर बैचलर्स विल टेक?
All right. After bachelor's, like many of my students, in bachelor's only they have their startups, they are doing small trainings and they are doing very
Yeah.
well. But one
Even
must
Manav Krishna
remember
has a
that,
startup, very big startup ka cell. I visited your center. It's super amazing.
yes, but one must remember that according to the act, to practice, you have to be a master's. और दूसरी चीज ना, मैं ये emphasis again I will say, of course somebody is written that हाँ NCERT में guidance and counseling है, those people are trained for school counselors and everything. My they are all there. There are many institutions, but I want to say one thing: skills and the process of learning. You know, whenever we learned at least case study analysis, and you know, जो आजकल आपने most universities ने history of psychology हटा दी है, philosophy हटा दी है, we will be lost, क्योंकि in the history is the method and the method is always introspection. Psychology आप चाहे कुछ भी कर लो, आप कुछ ले लो, without introspection, without growth, so that learning, self learning is more important. Degrees आती रहेंगी, but you have to have that learning. That learning should never stop, and and you keep enhancing your skills. Skills get fine tuned, you know. Once after some time, जो जब पहले आपको पूरी mental status history लेनी पड़ती थी, अब उतनी जरूरत नहीं है. 5 questions में पता चल जाता है IQ level. That comes with experience and training. And this, but for young people, you should never stop learning. आपको ये भी decide करना चाहिए कि मैं okay, मेरा if this person is coming for counseling and she is, what is the age group, उसको panic attack होता है, or he has something else, then how should I dress up also? You know, sometimes because if, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, अगर what I am is, then the whole, it's because subjective होता है, and my behavior will also alter the other person's behavior. It is subjective. Right. So if I don't want to become a variable, you know, in causing change in another's behavior. So the person should be, that's why we said the person should be able to comfortably, you know, you should be able to draw out the person, and the person should be comfortable in speaking or in, you know, just opening up to you. That's right. Counseling, and that's counseling, and that is the first step. And for that you have to work hard.
Work hard. Because ma'am, it's not easy to accept somebody's reaction, और कोई आपके सामने बैठ के आप क्रिटिसाइज करे, अपना एंगर शो करे, अपने वो इमोशंस, एग्रेसिव इमोशंस भी कई बार क्लाइंट दिखाते हैं. हर चीज को एक्सेप्ट करना और एम्पैथाइज करना, इट्स नॉट अ इजी टास्क. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट यू शुड ओनली कलेक्ट डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेट एंड वो सब चीजें आ जाएंगी आपके अंदर. इट्स रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज I was doing an event with somebody. It's just a real incident. One of my member told me that in the event there was a counselor. She has done relationship counseling. She was a relationship expert. So we asked her a question that uh, this thing, why a person should not have two relations. So in this question, she should have reacted in some different way, but she told no, this is not a right thing. So basically, we are not making any judgment that it's a right or wrong. If somebody is doing it, so what kind of psychological effect that person can have, और so कहीं ना कहीं मेरे कहने का ये मतलब है कि साइकोलॉजी रिक्वायर्स रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस, रेगुलर अपडेट्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक बार डिग्री ले ली, आपने एक बार अपना जॉब स्टार्ट कर दिया एंड डन, द जॉब इज डन. Every day
See,
you have to brush up your knowledge, right?
एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे ना हमने वी ऑल्सो हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर कि हम मॉरल जजमेंट कर रहे हैं या हम सिचुएशन को न्यूट्रल कैसे बनेंगे. और वही वहीं पे यू कैन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन अ गुड साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड
And a bad side. Right.
यस. बिकॉज न्यूट्रल बनने के लिए आपको अपने आप को खाली करना है. यू हैव टू क्वेश्चन ऑल योर बिलीव्स, ऑल दैट सोसाइटी हैज पुट इन यू. उन सब को अनलर्न करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू वर्क. And then you also have to function back in society. So that is the toughest part, and that is the benchmark that each student should look at. Can we empty ourselves? हमको
And
पहले
ma'am,
अपने सामने मिरर में होना पड़ेगा naked. Then only
right,
we will
right.
be able to go ahead.
बिल्कुल. लोग अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं, कभी कभी सामने वाले को भी नहीं करते हैं, एंड दे वांट गुड रिजल्ट्स. तो कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज रहता है कि एक पेशेंट आपके पास आ गया है, कोई भी क्लाइंट आपके पास आ गया, बट दैट पर्सन विल नॉट स्टे विद यू फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज दैट वाइब्रेशंस आर नॉट देयर. वो
Yes,
कहीं और बैठ जाएगा.
vibrations.
राइट.
See, that is important. This point I want to emphasize again. See, our non-verbal behavior communicates everything, and it is all here. If in my mind I think, okay, a person comes and he says he's having an affair or he likes two people, and in my mind I think, okay, this is like so wrong. What kind of a man he is? My non-verbal behavior will communicate it, and people understand they may not have words for it, but what you said, vibes, energy, everybody knows that.
So कहीं ना कहीं जैसा सामने दिख रहा है, we have to be the same inside.
Exactly.
Both are important. It's a very tough job actually.
It is.
Okay. So, ma'am, coming on the next point, when we talk about counseling psychology, or when we talk about like all the people who are not from the clinical background, basically, all the non-clinical people, is government is doing like the kind of jurisdictions that government has made, or the kind of policies that government has made. Do you think any additional things should also come? इंडिया के लिए
See,
बहुत
I
जरूरी
think,
है जो चीज.
हाँ एक्चुअली अभी ना काउंसलिंग और साइकोलॉजी इज नॉट एट ऑल जैसे बाहर. यू हैव टू हैव दीज, यू हैव टू टेक दोज एग्जामिनेशन, you have to do a lot of credits, and you have to clear a lot of exams to be the counselor, because they are very stringent. अभी उस तरह से यहाँ पे नहीं है. और I think the government also, if we say right now, I think it will be a little too it will be something. If they make some parameters or some things, it has to be thought about carefully. You should have good academicians, people who are forward looking, क्योंकि वरना यही हो जाएगा कि ओके, जैसे RCI को undue importance दे दी, whereas it doesn't cover the whole gamut. You go there, they do, वो खाली rehabilitation का ही होता है. तो mental health is not about only rehabilitation, no. There are so many other things, जैसे आपने बताया. तो उसके लिए एक comprehensive policy बनाना, but for that the government will have to work hard. Otherwise, simple, if we keep it simple also, even then it will at least effect तो होगा, because इतना shortage है and इतना scope है कि हम जितना थोड़ा सा पुश करेंगे तो हमारे लिए बहुत बेटर होगा. इफ मोर पीपल कैन रीच आउट टू मोर पीपल.
और कहीं ना कहीं अब जैसे कि आई वाज रीडिंग टू वन ऑफ द स्टैट्स दैट इज बाय बॉम्बे म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. So they say that in India, like we have a population of 138 crore people. I always mention this in my talk or in my sessions because this is something which is very big that people should understand. That out of 138 crore population, there are around 50 crore people to 60 crore people who require mental health support. And we have hardly 4.5 to 5 lakh counselors. So how can this 4-5 lakh counselors can reach exactly the 60 crore target? So it's a very huge
Big gap.
gap. तो कैसे ये पूरा हो सकता है मैम? कोई आपके तरफ से कुछ आइडियाज या क्योंकि पीपल आर कमिंग वेरी फास्ट इन दिस करियर इन साइकोलॉजी और हम जो लोग चाहते हैं कि वो इंडिया के बाहर पढ़ाई करें फिर इंडिया वापस आ रहे हैं तो उनके लिए क्या स्कोप्स यहाँ पे बन सकते हैं? सो व्हाट इज योर सजेशन इन दिस?
देखो, द स्कोप इज ट्रिमेंडस, क्योंकि अगर हम WHO डेटा भी देखें तो बहुत सारा, इट्स द बिगेस्ट पैंडेमिक एंड lot of things, you know, economic loss, because if people cannot give their best, then there is a loss, disability loss and everything that you calculate. पर ये है कि how can people, what can we do? The first thing is capacity building. तो जो ये न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, आई लाइक दैट, बिकॉज अगर आप कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग कर दें, अगर हम ये करें कि ठीक है, यू हैव टू मैंडेटरली एक मिनिमल एक बेंचमार्क बना लें, एक मिनिमल ये है कि 30 आवर्स ऑफ काउंसलिंग स्किल्स या 60 आवर्स टू बी अ काउंसलर सबको करना पड़ता है। या हम सारे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के टीचर्स, इन सबको हम, जैसे हमने जो शुरू करे थे, कितने सारे गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम्स हैं, आंगनवाड़ी है, उनको उसी तरह हम साइकोलॉजी को अगर उस लेवल पे ले लें और सब जगह ट्रेनिंग शुरू करें तो आई थिंक बहुत डिफरेंस बढ़ जाएगा। स्किलिंग के लिए हमने इतना सारा, जैसे हम आप प्लम्बर और उसका कर रहे हो, वैसे यू कैन स्किल इन दिस, यू नो, यू कैन एटलीस्ट स्किल इन आइडेंटिफिकेशन। स्कूल्स में जो इतना सारा अब्यूज होता है बच्चों को बिकॉज ऑफ लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी, ये सब हम कर सकते हैं। एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग इट क्लोज, लेट्स ओपन अप द एरिया ना, और बनाएं, और सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स करें।
अब जैसे कि मैम, when we were registering or when Council India was registering, so we also got registered under Skill Development Council, like this thing SMART. We got the SMART registration. We got NSDC approved because that was the only government body which is available in India. We were actually we tried our best to talk with RCI, but as such RCI has no jurisdiction. They has no such policy to connect with any company or to certify any company because they themselves are certified by a government body. They themselves are certified by ministry. So वहाँ से भी मना हो गया. Then we talked with some of the legal people in ministry. So they told, see, there are only few bodies in India with whom you can register yourself. And so that was a very shocking thing कि हम register भी होना चाह रहे हैं तो हमें body ही नहीं मिल रही, government body ही नहीं मिल रही है. तब जाके we found SMART registration, we found NSDC, that Skill India के अंडर में जो आता था. Then we had a word with that person. So he told कि as if now if you're imparting psychological or counseling skills to somebody, so you have to you are coming under skill development, National Skill Development Council. So then, but still we feel कि और भी कुछ ऐसी गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज होनी चाहिए जो सिर्फ साइकोलॉजी पे काम करे, सिर्फ मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम करे, मेंटल हेल्थ के लोगों पे ध्यान रखें, उनकी कुछ क्राइटेरिया सेट करें, ताकि इससे क्वालिटी सर्विस भी जाएगी लोगों के अंदर और कहीं ना कहीं हमारे जो फिल्ट्रेशन जो हम बात करते हैं, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट फिल्ट्रेशन. The people who are not having psychological skills, just by reading books they have become psychologists or they call them as a counselor. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो filtration भी होना चाहिए because ma'am this is really very dangerous. You are actually playing with the emotions. So just for the sake of money you should not do this.
Absolutely. See, मैं ये हमेशा मानती हूँ, see, what is here is how you are. और अगर हम, if we are not at least ethical and accountability and in the basic levels of ethics and neutrality and, you know, non-judgmental, जो counseling के basic skills हैं, unconditional acceptance, non-judgmental, unconditional love and respect, ये चीज़ें तो सबको train करनी ही पड़ेगी how to do it because you know, body में अगर हम wrong cut कर देते हैं तो फिर भी वो ठीक हो सकता है, mind में तो आप नहीं कर सकते. इमोशंस, एक बार आपने थॉट दूसरा डाल दिया, इमोशन से खेल लिया, यू हैव फिनिश्ड दैट पर्सन फॉर लाइफ, है ना. सो दैट इज हाउ थिंग्स गो एंड वी समहाउ हमारा जो व्हाट इम्पोर्टेंस वी शुड गिव टू दिस, वी आर अ कंट्री दैट इज लिटरेट, in education, but we are illiterate as far as emotion and mental health is concerned.
Agreed.
And that
Completely
is our
agreed.
tragedy.
And this is one of the reason that people are facing a lot of problem kahin na kahin, because in a family, even if we talk about parents, when you ask them about psychology and counseling, they are also not ready to accept about this counseling. They know कि हमारी जिंदगी हो गई इतनी, we have lived for 60-65 years, so we know a lot of things, हमने सब देखा है, इतनी दुनिया देखी है. बट कहीं ना कहीं दुनिया देखना इज नॉट साइकोलॉजी. दुनिया देखना
Exactly.
या एज के साथ में आप अपनी साइकोलॉजिकल अगर लर्निंग को या साइकोलॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग को कंपेयर करो, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं एज के साथ नहीं आती है. कहीं ना कहीं उसके लिए आपको उस चीज को समझना है, उसको एक्सेप्ट करना है. सो there are a lot of things that people should work actually in the field of psychology, no matter they are studying from India, no matter they are studying from abroad or coming back to India.
It doesn't make a difference. It depends on how sensitive, how much of learning. It's not, learning is different from just education, no? So you have to learn, unlearn, learn, and knowledge gathering is not the same as learning. If you
एक चीज
cannot
सीखने
convert
से
your knowledge.
सीमेंटेड नहीं होना है.
हाँ. और
Right.
काउंसलिंग भी लोगों को ये पता रहना चाहिए कि काउंसलिंग इज नॉट गिविंग एडवाइस. हम एडवाइस नहीं देते हैं. आपके पेरेंट्स एडवाइस देते हैं, फ्रेंड्स एडवाइस देते हैं, हम नहीं देते. हम जो आप है, हम खाली मिरर दिखाते हैं, ऑल्टरनेटिव्स बताते हैं, एंड वी जस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट बैक व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग. सारी चॉइसेस आप लेते हो. ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है.
ग्रेट. सो मैम, लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी से पूछेंगे. एनी सबसे ऐसे नटोरियस स्टोरी कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप अपने बच्चों के बारे में? कैसे डील करते हैं आप?
ओके, आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग. जब मैं थी तो
we did actually an event in Manavashna. I think in the year 2018 we did an event. We invited a lot of people. I hope you remember that.
यस,
And,
आई रिमेम्बर दैट.
काफी सारे मानवरचना के स्टूडेंट से मैं मिला था उस टाइम साइकोलॉजी के. सो आपके बारे में भी काफी सारी चीजें बताई. मैम काफी सपोर्टिव है, डिपार्टमेंट पूरा हमारा मैम पे पूरा रिलाय करता है, काफी सारी चीजें सीखते हैं. तो आपकी तरफ से क्या है, कुछ क्या क्या शैतानी करते हैं साइकोलॉजी वाले बच्चे, स्पेशली अगर मैं बात करूँ तो कैसे आप
साइकोलॉजी वाले
सपोर्ट
तो
करते हो?
see, I have always believed कि learning happens outside the classroom. ना क्लासरूम में मैं आपको टेक्स्ट बुक्स वो कर लेती हूँ, बट साइकोलॉजी के थोड़े सीधे बच्चे हैं. बट MBA या और बहुत सारे वो भी हैं. लेकिन एक्चुअली पर एक चीज़ है, आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी क्लिशेड, बट चक दे इंडिया का वो डायलॉग था ना कि यहाँ पे एक ही गुंडा है. सो आई हैव टोल्ड देम यहाँ पे एक ही गुंडा है, वो मैं हूँ, बिकॉज डंडा मेरे पास है. पावर चेयर का पावर है. ऐसे जब मैं नहीं यूज कर रही तो वो आई एम बीइंग जेनरस. और बट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, यू नो, कभी भी वेदर इट्स यूनिवर्सिटी, चीज़ें यहीं से लेते हैं, कभी दिल पे नहीं लेनी चाहिए. बिकॉज आई डोंट टेक एनीथिंग. स्टूडेंट्स गुस्सा करते हैं, कई बार ये भी होता है, बट इट्स ऑल वॉट एवर यू डू, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर सपोज टू डू इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. बट अदरवाइज द मोर नॉटी दे आर, द मोर फन इट इज.
क्योंकि मैम कभी कभी गुस्सा करना भी जरूरी होता है. एवरीथिंग कैन नॉट बी लाइक दिस, कैन नॉट बी सो स्मूथ. आप सोचे कि सब अच्छा अच्छा होते रहे और मैम हम जो बोले वो सपोर्ट कर दे टीचर हमारा, तो ऐसे मतलब एक सही अपब्रिंगिंग नहीं हो पाती है. कहीं ना कहीं यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट विद स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे रियलाइज इट. लाइक इवन इफ नाउ आई एम नॉट इनटू टीचिंग सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम, बट मैंने 2015 या 2016 में जिन बच्चों को पढ़ाया था, दे मैसेज मी इन बिटवीन, लाइक टीचर्स डे होता है या फिर ये अपना गुरु पूर्णिमा होता है, तो दे मैसेज मी, सर बिकॉज ऑफ यू वी रीच्ड हियर. सो कहीं ना कहीं दे रियलाइज दिस आफ्टर ईयर्स, कभी कभी 10 साल, कभी 5 साल, कि दैट वाज. अभी मुझे भी अगर मैं बोलूँ, सो इफ आई वांट टू रिमेंबर माय टीचर्स इन लाइक 12th क्लास और 12th क्लास, तो मुझे वो टीचर याद है जिन्होंने मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मारा था, क्योंकि वो आपकी मेमोरी में छप जाते हैं और उनकी वजह से एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज आता है, एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज आता है रियली. तो कहीं ना कहीं आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं मैम, नो डाउट. आपके बारे में मैंने काफ़ी सुना भी है, मानवरचना के बारे में, और साइकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट स्पेशली अगर मैं बोलूँ तो यू गाइज आर रियली डूइंग ग्रेट. सो मैम, अभी लेटेस्ट कोई साइकोलॉजी में कोई आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी कोई कैंपेन रन कर रही हो साइकोलॉजी में, आप किस तरीके से कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
या अभी हमने ना एक ड्यूरिंग कोविड हमने साइकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट और हमने एक क्राइसिस हेल्पलाइन रन करी थी साथी, एंड एवरीबडी 24/7 वो हेल्पलाइन रन करी। एंड उसके बाद एक अभी हमने लॉन्च करा है एक इनिशिएटिव ऑन मेंटल हेल्थ ओनली, एंड वी ऑल्सो जस्ट न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी पे एक टेस्ट भी, साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट भी डेवलप करा है, स्किल बेस्ड फॉर करियर चॉइसेस। सो वी आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। वन ऑफ माय पीएचडी स्टूडेंट इज वर्किंग ऑन एन ऐप फॉर माइंडफुलनेस। बच्चों ने एक ऐप बनाया है ऑन टीचर्स रिलैक्सेशन एंड स्ट्रेस। दिस बहुत सारा वी आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ इनोवेशन दिस। एक कई बच्चों ने अपना स्टार्टअप शुरू करा है, आर्ट थेरेपी, दे आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग अ लॉट विद दैट। So we are doing interesting things. Psychology is very fascinating.
Because मैम somehow ये हमारी काउंसलिंग की फिलोसफी है. We are working a lot. We are investing a lot of money on artificial intelligence and psychology. अभी we are working with one of the German company, and we are investing around 25 to 30 lakhs on that. कि how artificial intelligence can be connected with psychology. क्योंकि जो हमें गैप दिखता है इंडिया में 5 लाख काउंसलर्स और ये 60 करोड़ वाला, तो कहीं ना कहीं ह्यूमनली ये पॉसिबल है कि नहीं है, बहुत चैलेंजिंग है. बट इम्पॉसिबल तो कुछ नहीं होता, बट बहुत चैलेंजिंग है. तो हमें लगता है माइनर कुछ जो चीज़ें हैं, अगर वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के थ्रू अगर वो रिजॉल्व करी जा सकें, एंड विदाउट हार्मिंग द प्राइवेसी ऑफ पीपल और विदाउट हार्मिंग देयर इमोशंस, सो कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो वी आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रायल्स ऑन दिस, एंड वी आर रियली वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन दिस.
हार्वर्ड का जो बॉट है ना, I was also working on this only because we wanted to see how and develop a app and a bot, you know, with using AI, but it was too expensive also. And then मैंने हार्वर्ड का बहुत दिन तक I was taking, so it's very interesting. वो ना क्या करता है कि if you are a female, a male will generally answer the AI जो bot है. After some days ना, like you know, you started catharsis, you started getting angry also because early morning, hi, how are you today? Can you answer 5 questions? So I think Harvard didn't roll it out because this, but it's a very open and an interesting field. So wish you all the
because
best for that.
AI का चैलेंज ये भी है ना कि AI वर्क्स ऑन डेटा. जितना ज्यादा डेटा आप उसको देंगे, आपको वो उतने ज्यादा सोल्यूशन देगा. दिस इज द ओनली सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ AI. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. अगर तो कहीं ना कहीं वो लोगों को इरिटेट करने लगता है. एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के बाद लोग ऐप ही इंस्टॉल कर देते कि डेली डेली का झंझट ये है, हटाओ इसको. क्योंकि साइकोलॉजी में कहीं ना कहीं ह्यूमन टच बहुत जरूरी है. एंड दिस इज द बिगेस्ट ड्रॉबैक ऑफ साइकोलॉजी कहो, या फिर ड्रॉबैक कह सकते हैं, या फिर इसको बेनिफिट भी कह सकते हैं. बट येस, व्हेन इट कम्स टू AI, इट इज अ ड्रॉबैक एक्चुअली. क्योंकि ह्यूमन टच नहीं मिलता है. आप रोबोट से कब तक बात कर सकते हैं? 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 3 दिन, हफ्ता भर, नॉट मोर देन दैट. People don't prefer talking to a robot. It's an emotional game. So they want a human touch. They want that empathy, sympathy. Somebody should listen to you. They should greet you. They should understand your feelings. तो ये एक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हम लोग भी फेस कर रहे हैं. इसीलिए हम इतना लग रहा है. बट स्टिल वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस. वी विल ट्राई अगेन एंड अगेन. Nothing is impossible. I learned it from Tesla, Elon Musk. He has done a lot of blunders in this world. So let's see what we can do in this particular thing. Apart from that, ma'am, thank you so much. और एक चीज मैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, लाइक जाते जाते एक सवाल और है कि इस जनरेशन के लिए जो हमारे यूथ है, यूथ ऑफ इंडिया, will it be a psychology, will it be any background, they are very much distracted and they are very much into social media, and especially जब से लॉकडाउन लगा है, फोन पे लगे रहते हैं बच्चे. मेरे पास बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स की भी क्वेरीज आती है, कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं कि फोन एडिक्शन बहुत हो गया है. So youth को कैसे अपने distraction को खत्म किया जाए? How they can focus on the career after 12th or after bachelor's? So any success mantra you want to give them, or any success tips you would like to give them, that how to stay focused and not to get distracted?
See, I will only say that motivational or whatever you do, it's like brushing. You need to do it every day. So anything that you will keep doing every day, and then you have to find your passion. आज के youth, they are spoiled for choice, but even if it takes अगर late bloomers भी हैं कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन अपना passion पकड़ ले. You know, life has never been more beautiful than these times. They can anything का career बना लो यार. YouTuber किसने सोचा था? You know, you like singing, just put a video and you have, and that's it. So if you can convert your passion into whatever you want to choose, do it, but you should be able to earn enough to support yourself.
Right.
and do it every day. Whatever you want to, you have to do it every day. No other
Right.
way.
So we'll just ask our viewers if they have some question if they want to ask. Like one question Aki has asked, how to make and take fast decisions. Anything from your side on this? How to make and take fast decisions?
Because I will
Anybody, if you
say
want to
that
ask something, you can just put your question in the comment box. Ma'am will answer it. And now we are
okay,
taking Aki's question.
the first, if you want to take fast decisions, then anytime हमारा एक इंट्यूशन कहता है ऐसे कर लो, लेकिन फास्ट डिसीजंस का एक छोटा सा ड्रॉबैक है कि रिग्रेट नहीं करना फिर, वरना यू विल लिव इन रिग्रेट. इंस्टेंट डिसीजंस ले लो एंड फॉरगेट इट. वो दोनों का है. और अगर आप सोच के लोगे तो हाँ, यू आर मोर श्योर, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स देख के डिसीजन लोगे. अदरवाइज गो बाय योर इंट्यूशन, इंस्टिंक्ट, फटाक से डिसीजन ले लो, पर रिग्रेट मत करना, वरना गिल्ट में ही रहोगे. डोंट रिग्रेट, इन टेक इट इजी, बी इजी ऑन योरसेल्फ देन.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है. सी improvising at the last moment, इसके लिए you require a lot of training. People who work in defense, who work in like army, and they are trained in such things like IPS officers. The training is in such a way that they know how to take decision in seconds. For example, we talk about pilots, so they have to take decision in fraction of second. So but whatever the result is, good or bad, they have to accept it. So
Yes.
Aki, I hope you got your answer, that if you're taking a fast decision, go with the consequences. You have to accept those consequences. Don't be in guilt. That's as simple as that. Anybody else who want to ask anything? Ma'am is waiting, so we would love to take a question, guys. I absolutely agree with this. Any questions, guys? Please ask so that. Okay. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And hope
Thank you
we'll
for
also
inviting.
get some opportunity to work with your kids of psychology in Manavashna.
Definitely.
We would love
Definitely.
to work with them. From your life,
Definitely.
which one question has come, ma'am? You just take. Ma'am, can you share something from your life which keeps you motivated daily? Any tips? Jisna has asked this
Okay.
question. This is a great question. So anything, ma'am, for Jisna?
See, you know what keeps me motivated is that I always remember that I love this thing. I love psychology. But sometimes you just feel tired or anything. But what keeps me motivated is that I have a responsibility to so many others, and if many people are associated with me, then I cannot do anything. Then I need to pull myself, because see, as a leader, if I am not motivated, then how will I lead a team? And that is what keeps me. Sometimes you don't want to go out there, but still you go, because you have to be at the front of everything. So that's what keeps me motivated. We have to each find our own motivation also. Sometimes the motivation is a good boyfriend. Sometimes the motivation is a good teacher. Sometimes it is a good, whatever, good building, good AC, 24/7 electricity in the university.
Luxury
Whatever.
life, Saturday night parties,
Friends,
shopping.
canteens, that keeps us motivated.
हाँ, स्पेशली मानव रचना के कैंटीन के काफी किस्से भी सुने हैं मैंने. Okay, so one more question has come from NH Shri, that how to deal with unwanted distraction from society.
It's like unwanted distractions. क्या होता है ना कि हमें लगता है we are getting distracted. अब if I tell you, don't think of the pink elephant. अब सब pink elephant के बारे में सोचने लग गए. So distractions are like that. They are the monkeys who are going outside. You don't have to deal with them. They will come and they will go. Thoughts के साथ एक चीज होती है. Distracting thoughts जब आते हैं ना, तो अगर आप उस पर ध्यान देंगे ना, तो आपने उसको पकड़ लिया. और अगर आप ये कहेंगे ये थॉट मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आना चाहिए, वो आता ही रहेगा. It will keep pushing. You have to deal with them like naughty children. कि वो नॉटीनेस करते रहे, आप स्माइल करो और उसको जाने दो. डोंट रिएक्ट, डोंट एक्ट ऑन इट. then it won't be a distraction. And secondly, take it as a part of thoughts कि distractions भी आएंगे पर thoughts भी आएगा, तो घूम घूम के वापस अपने काम पे आ जाओ.
Because एक चीज को पकड़ेंगे तो obviously thoughts उसके बारे में फिर आने ही.
आपने
Because if
उसको
somebody told
concrete
me,
बना दिया.
बिल्कुल. If somebody told me कि आपको 1 मिनट मंकी के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, मैं वो 1 मिनट में सबसे ज्यादा मंकी के बारे में सोचूंगा. Because वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे दिमाग में एक सीड डाल दिया उसने.
नहीं सोचना है, रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी करिए. आप ये कहिए मुझे खाली डिस्ट्रैक्शन के लिए सोचना है. ओनली डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग थॉट्स विल कम. फिर आप देखो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. और जो सोसाइटी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस दे रही है आपको, सोशल मीडिया ये सब, तो खाली हमें ये करना है कि नो कहना सीखना है और सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन कि ठीक है सोसाइटी ने नेटफ्लिक्स पे 50 मूवीज दे दी, आई विल वॉच ओनली ऑन अ सैटरडे. हमें अपने आप को खुद को डिसिप्लिन करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, ma'am. Last question we'll take. Some psycho GY has written. So this is the last question, guys. We'll take. So this is sometimes we want to be in sadness for a while, but why?
सैडनेस इज अ गुड इमोशन ऑल्सो, क्योंकि सैडनेस आपको जो भी आपके अंदर जो चीज़ें हैं, जो चीज़ें हम पूरे टाइम टॉक्सिक पॉजिटिविटी भी नहीं कर सकते ना, हर चीज़ पे हम पॉजिटिव नहीं रह सकते. सैडनेस इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट इमोशन. ग्रीफ कुछ चीज़ है, कुछ लॉस है, तो सैडनेस लेट्स यू गेट दैट आउट. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इमोशन एंड you need to let out whatever is there. Be with your grief, be with your sad part and let it go. जैसे happiness में हम वो होते हैं, वैसे ही sadness is the other part of the coin and it is okay. sadness में रहना is okay, but हमेशा नहीं रहना है, ठीक है. it should be small periods, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा रहेंगे तो हम फिर बॉडी एड्रेनलिन से एडिक्ट हो जाती है, तो फिर उसको वही स्टेट अच्छा लगता है. सो ब्रेक द स्टेट्स. अपने आप को चैलेंज करो, अपनी फिजियोलॉजी को चैलेंज करो, अपने माइंड को चैलेंज करो, किसी पैटर्न में नहीं डालो, एक्सेप्ट डिसिप्लिन.
So I hope you got your answer. I can see comments. Somebody has written ex-girlfriend also. I think you're mentioning about distraction.
Of course. Ex-girlfriend is a distraction. Stalk mat
Make
karo
your
if it is a
ex-girlfriend
boy.
not a distraction but a motivation. Then you'll be feeling better.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
And as you mentioned about your helpline number, psychometric test, and app name, so I want you to please share these names with me so that I can put it in my social media. And if somebody want to take help, so they can just contact you. And guys, ma'am is there on Instagram. If you need to talk with ma'am, if you need her guidance or something, please do message her, and do wait for some time. Don't hurry because she's already having a lot of work. So don't expect that all of a sudden reply will come. Give her some time.
No, it will come. It will come. It will come. It will come. The reply will come instantly. Certain replies instantly आ जाते हैं. Depends on the need.
हाँ, LinkedIn पे भी मैंने notice किया आप you reply fast.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, thank you so much from Counsel India family. And I thank all the viewers to be in this show and asking a lot of questions with us. I hope you all enjoyed this show. And we'll be putting the recording on the page. And so even after, like, whenever you want to see it, you can see it again. And ma'am is there with us in all situation, all confusion. So if you have any problem, if you need any solution, just feel free to contact. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good night, guys. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.